Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Tank MFP 1005, 1600, 2600 printer series. Depending on your specific printer model and device operating system, some of the images in this video may appear different from your printer. However, the steps are the same. Step 1. Remove the printer from the box. Open the box and remove the reference guide and other documentation, the power cord, and the input tray. Then, slide the printer out of the box. Remove the styrofoam packing material and the plastic bag surrounding the printer. Remove the orange tape from the top and sides of the printer, the toner access door, and the input tray area, along with any other packing material. Slide the input tray into the slot beneath the input tray cover and remove the plastic guards over the HP symbol and the printer control panel. All of the packing material for your printer can be recycled. Go to hp.com/recycle to learn more on how to recycle your packing material. Step 2. Connect the power cord. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then connect the other end into a power outlet. HP recommends using a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Step 3. Load paper into the input tray. Open the input tray. Slide the paper width guides on the input tray to the edges of the tray. Load a stack of plain white paper with the print side facing down into the input tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they lightly touch the edges of the stack of paper. Close the input tray. Step 4. Connect the printer to your network with an Ethernet cable. This step only applies to Ethernet printers if you prefer a wired network connection. If you would prefer a wireless network connection, you can proceed to the next step. If there is a plug or protective cover on the Ethernet port on the rear of the printer, remove it. Connect an Ethernet cable to the printer and an available Ethernet port in a wall outlet or directly to your network router, switch, or hub. When a network connection is established, the Ethernet icon on the printer displays. Step 5. Connect the printer to your computer with a USB cable. This step only applies to USB printers if you would prefer a wired connection to your computer. If you would prefer a wireless connection, you can proceed to the next step. Connect a USB cable to the printer and an available USB port on your computer. When a USB connection is established, your printer will appear automatically under Devices and Printers settings. Step 6. Add the printer to HP Smart. Note, the HP Smart app is required and helps connect your device to your printer. It also guides you through the rest of the setup process. Open a browser on your device and go to 123.hp.com to download and to install the app. Type your printer model into the search bar and select Next. Then select Install HP Smart. This will bring you to your device app store where you can then download HP Smart. Once the install completes, open the app and accept the terms to continue. Select either Set up a new printer or Add printer. HP Smart will search for printers to connect to. Select your printer when it appears. If your printer is connected by an Ethernet cable, make sure your device is connected to the same network. Follow the prompts in HP Smart to connect the printer to your network. If prompted, confirm your proximity to the printer by pressing the information icon on the printer. Once the process is complete, select Continue. Choose how you want to share your data with HP and continue. Create or sign into an HP account to activate your warranty and register your printer. Choose how you want to receive printer updates and select Apply. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the HP Smart setup process. Your printer is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.